everyone. I am Purva Kakre, your host for my Perfect Chance interview series. Welcome to my show. A chance to be known, recognized, adored by the viewers, the right show to be at, to become a star. A successful financial advisor is a person who has absolute passion for the subject. Today, we bring you one such a person on the interview platform. There are several ways in which a financial advisor can add value to investment efforts. Among these benefits are guidance on developing an overall investment strategy, asset allocation, minimizing taxes, rebalancing portfolios, and sufficiency structuring withdrawal at the time of retirement. Guess who is our speaker? She is a financial planner and a wealth manager. Welcome Sudhaji to my show. Sudhaji, our viewers would like to hear from you about your brand and services.
Hello friends, my name is Sudha Ajit. I'm a financial planner and manager. My firm name is Synergy Financial Advisory. Synergy because I believe in life, anything and everything is an outcome of various factors coming together. Similarly, when I advise my clients, I apply the same principles and guide them through their financial journey. I've been into this field since 2012 and I am so happy. I owe it to my clients that I have a strong client base of today, HNIs, NRIs, and Merchant Navy officers. I offer a comprehensive financial planning module. I have a goal-based advisory module, and I also offer services through investment portfolio design.
Financial information is available absolutely everywhere. Do you think it is wise to still have a financial advisor on board?
Purva agreed, financial information is available everywhere. And today, being a digital world, at the press of a button, you go on Google search, you can get everything. But here I would like to give you an example of a ship which sails through the high seas. It's been doing throughout, but every time it sails, it needs a map, a navigating map to guide it accurately and correctly to reach its destination. Similarly, what a financial advisor does is guide his clients through his financial journey to achieve his or her financial goals. The role that a financial advisor plays is like a doctor advising his clients and to steer you clear of all uncertainties. At times when there is an uncertainty in the economy, in the market, he does it by giving you unbiased and proper advice.
So 7 things you don't know about Sudhaji. Let's run with a quick fire round. So what is your first thing you do when you get up in the morning?
Okay. The first thing I get up in the morning, I start my day with one banana to give me energy, and then I am into running. So 3 to 4 days of the week I go out and run. Of course, now because of this lockdown, one is not able to go out. So I run at home. Then another 2 to 3 days,
Wow,
I do my
amazing.
workouts.
Amazing.
And this puts me in a positive frame of mind. It keeps me optimistic and energetic.
Yeah, Sudhaji, what is your favorite TV channel?
I like watching English news channels. Other than that, I watch CNBC and ET. That keeps me updated on the economy and on the business news. I also, my recreation, I watch like everybody today. I love watching movies on Netflix. My favorites are English romantic comedies. I like watching English horror movies. And I'm also into watching Hindi comedies.
So describe yourself in 3 words.
I am strong, balanced, a go-getter.
So what is the first thing you notice about someone when you meet first?
The first thing that I notice when I meet someone, how the person speaks, how confident he is, how knowledgeable the person is, and I give a lot of credence to how genuine the person is, how he comes across. And of course, I also notice how well kept he is. I mean, that's also something that strikes me immediately.
Yes, Sudhaji. What compliment do people give you the most?
People have called me bold, courageous, forthright, and a person who takes up causes in the interest of others.
What advice did you get that was most rewarding?
The advice that I got most rewarding, I would rather call it this was a session that I attended, which was organized by my mentor, Mr. Neeraj Shah. So herein he talked about how you can work on your mindset and develop a vision. There's nothing that one cannot achieve when you have the mindset to achieve that. And that was an eye opener for me. I think that was the best advice that I got.
One last question. What advice would you give to the aspiring student who has taken finance as their subject?
Firstly, I would like to congratulate them. They have really done good by getting into finance. Finance is an evergreen field and it's got huge scope. If you are interested in accountancy, you could think of becoming a chartered accountant. If you want to pursue core finance, you could get a CFP certification done. That would also give you advisory capabilities, a CFA certification, and you can go into the fund analysis mode, or you could even go in for an MBA finance. I mean, there's a huge scope, and even if you are only a graduate in finance, you can always improve your knowledge by getting yourself certified through various NISM and SEBI qualifications that are on offer.
Sudhaji, such a great delight to have you on my show. Great information you shared with us.
Thanks, Purva. It was great speaking to you. Thanks for the wonderful opportunity you have given me by calling me on your show. Thanks, viewers, for your patient listen. If any of you would like to go in for any kind of investment or financial advice, please get in touch with me. I offer various kinds of financial services, comprehensive financial planning. I also offer retirement planning advices. I do portfolio management. I'm also into goal-based advisory. My firm name is Synergy Financial Advisory, and please get in touch with me through my website www.synergyfinancialadvisory.com, or you can contact me on my phone 98206 51848. My links, my Instagram links, my Facebook links will be shared at the end of the video. Thank you, viewers.
Special thanks to Lara and her media team for designing the show. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Perfect Chance Interview Series by Purva K, and get more interviews and guest speakers. It has been pleasure being with you all today. Thank you. Signing off, Purva K.